Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the WAN light on your ASUS router has turned red, it usually means the router is having trouble connecting to the internet, which can quickly become frustrating when all your devices suddenly lose connection. You may notice Wi-Fi still showing on your phone or computer, but websites refuse to load because the ASUS router is not getting internet access properly. This issue can happen because of loose cables, modem connection problems, internet service interruptions, or incorrect router settings. Since the WAN light works as a signal for internet status, a red light is often the ASUS router's way of showing that something is interrupting the connection. The great thing is that this problem is often simple to troubleshoot with a few quick checks at home. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix an ASUS router WAN light turning red. Step 1. Check the internet cable connected to the ASUS router WAN port and make sure the ASUS router cable is secure. Step 2. Restart the ASUS router and modem by turning off the ASUS router for a short moment before reconnecting power. Step 3. Check if the ASUS router internet service is working by testing another device connected to the ASUS router network. Step 4. Inspect the WAN settings inside the ASUS router setup page to confirm the ASUS router connection settings are correct. Step 5. Try reconnecting the WAN cable to the ASUS router or use another cable with the ASUS router if needed. Step 6. Turn on the ASUS router again and confirm the ASUS router WAN light is no longer red.